Good morning, class. The topic of today is the use of the simple past tense. This is a very easy topic. So, the simple past. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before. The simple past tense shows that you are talking about something that has already happened. The simple past tense emphasizes that the action is finished. Ok, el pasado simple nos indica que la acción apenas acaba de terminar y es algo que ha pasado recientemente. To make a positive simple past statement, we have to follow this pattern. Para poder hacer una oración en pasado simple tenemos que seguir esta fórmula que tenemos aquí. First, we have the subject plus the past of the verb. Tenemos el sujeto más el verbo del pasado. Ejemplo, she ate a lot. El verbo de she ate a lot es ate. Ate ya está en pasado. Su verbo sería eat. Eat, que significa comer. I lived in Sauces. El verbo es lived. En presente sería live. She was sick. Was es el pasado del verbo to be. They arrived late. Arrived es el pasado de arrive, de llegar. They run 5K. Run es el pasado de run, de correr. For a negative sentence, we have to do the subject plus the auxiliary verb did plus not plus the main verb in base form. Para hacer una oración negativa, tenemos que poner el sujeto más el auxiliar did y tenemos que agregarle obviamente el not, o sea, did not o la contracción, es decir, la versión corta que sería didn't, más el verbo en forma base, es decir, el verbo sin conjugación, el verbo en presente, ya que el auxiliar did va en pasado. Example, Peter bakes delicious cookies. Peter didn't bake delicious cookies. My classmates like our German teacher. My classmates didn't like our German teacher. You speak Arabic. You didn't speak Arabic. Bakes, en el ejemplo primero, es el verbo. Bake quiere decir hornear. Para hacerlo en negativo tenemos que poner el didn't, que es el auxiliar, más el verbo, como lo podemos ver ahí, en forma base. Es decir, el verbo sin conjugación. Lo mismo con el segundo. El verbo de la segunda oración es like. Cuando le ponemos el auxiliar didn't, automáticamente el verbo ya va en forma base, es decir, el verbo sin ninguna conjugación, que sería like. El tercer ejemplo es speak. Speak, cuando usamos el auxiliar, que sería didn't, ya no sería, ya iría en forma base. Exercises. Complete the following sentences using simple past. Ahora vamos a completar estas oraciones con el pasado simple. Number 1. They went to the party yesterday. Went es el pasado de go. She read the book. Read es el pasado de read. He drew beautiful pictures last week. Drew es el pasado de draw. I learned Spanish last summer. Learned es el pasado de learn. You gave the present to your friend. Gave es el pasado de give. Number 6. We bought a new car. Bought es el pasado de buy. Complete the following sentences using simple past negative sentences with the auxiliary did. We did not or didn't watch the news last night. They didn't go to the party yesterday. She didn't read the book. He didn't draw beautiful pictures last week. I didn't learn Spanish last summer. You didn't give the present to your friend. We didn't buy